Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access. Sign in now so nothing blocks you. Once ready, create a system restore point. This undoes mistakes fast. Then open Settings, go to Ease of Access or directly search keyboard shortcuts. For more control, press Win+R, type gpedit. MSC to open group policy or regedit for registry edits. Start with the least risky method first because it's reversible. Make sure to note any default values you change so you can restore them if needed. Open Group Policy Editor and navigate to User Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow File Explorer, or Edge-specific hotkeys. Disable policies that enable global hotkeys or sticky keys. Once done, reboot or run gpupdate/force to apply changes. If gpedit is unavailable, use Registry Editor at hkey current user \software \Microsoft \Windows, restart Windows Explorer and Task Manager, or simply reboot. This finalizes changes. Test key combos to confirm removal. If something breaks, restore the system restore point you made earlier. This immediately reverts registry or policy edits. If only certain shortcuts remain, check individual application settings. Some apps register global hotkeys that override system settings, so disable them or uninstall the app. If problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism repair to ensure no corrupted system files are causing unexpected shortcut behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.